Welcome to AJ Mathematics and Science. So today we will do 9th standard maths ICSE board exercise 4A. Chapter is expansion. So in the last video we have done two formulae a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now these are the new formulae which we have to do, and on the basis of these formulae we will solve the questions. So first one is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equal to 4a. 4ab. Same way a plus b square plus, यहाँ पे प्लस है, plus a minus b whole square equal to 2 bracket a square plus b square. So same two formulae we have to write for a and 1 by a, यानी कि b की जगह पे क्या है 1 by a. a प्लस बी है यहाँ पे क्या आएगा a प्लस 1 by a होल स्क्वायर माइनस a माइनस 1 by a होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4 क्यों आया 4ab. व्हाट इज a हियर a, b कितना है 1 by a, सो a कैंसिल, दैट्स व्हाई यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हम लोगों ने 4. सेम वे सेम दिस फॉर्मूला फॉर a प्लस 1 by a प्लस 1 by a होल स्क्वायर प्लस a माइनस 1 by a होल स्क्वायर equal to 2a square plus b square. A square, what is b here 1 by a, so what will come here 1 by a square. So students, you please note down these formulae. On the basis of these formula we have to solve exercise 4a. Please note down this. Now students, we will solve one question based upon these formulae. If a plus b is given 7, ab is 10, we have to find a minus b. So which formula we have to use? We will use a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equal to 4ab. What is the value of a plus b? 7. It means 7 square. A minus b we have to find, so that we will write as it is. And what is the value of ab? Ab is 10. So this is 49. A minus b whole square equal to 40. This 49 we will take another side. One thing you have to keep in your mind, जब 49 को दूसरी तरफ लेके जाएंगे ये माइनस इसके साथ ही रहेगा, because minus in front of a minus b. So 40 minus 49 minus a minus b whole square equal to minus 9. 9 cancel. So a minus b equal to square root of 9. यानी कि यहाँ पे क्या डाल दोगे आप प्लस माइनस. So a minus b equal to 3. So like this you can find the value of a minus b. Sometime ab they will ask, sometime they will ask to find a plus b. यानी कि तीनों में से दो चीजें दी होंगी और एक की आपने वैल्यू निकालनी है. You can use this formula or another formula that based upon the values given. So student, by the time you just note down this. Now student, we will solve one more question. The value of x plus y 7 by 2 given, xy equal to 5 by 2. We have to find the value of x minus y. So same formula we have to apply जो a और b के लिए किया था, same formula we have to apply for x and y. x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square equal to 4xy. यानी कि a b की जगह क्या आ गया xy. Then fill the value of x plus y 7 by 2, x minus y, xy value 5 by 2, cancel it. This become 10. And this is 7 square 49, 2 square 2 4 और 49 by 4 को दूसरी तरफ ले गए. Then take the LCM. So 10 4 is 40. After calculation this become minus 9 by 4 and minus cancel. So now take the square root of 9 by 4. यानी कि यहाँ पे आप प्लस माइनस लगा सकते हो. अगर नहीं लगाना that your wish. मैं नहीं लगाऊंगा. As it is, we just take the square root of 9 by 4. The square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 4 is 2. आपको पता है स्क्वायर रूट कैसे लेना है. You people know 9 square root is 3 into 3. So this is a 3. So after that in second part उन्होंने पूछा है find x square minus y square. थोड़ा ऊपर कर देते हैं. Find x square minus y square. So x square minus y square means which formula we have to apply? x square minus y square क्या होता है, या a square minus b square क्या होता है? a minus b means x minus y into x plus y. x minus y into x plus y. This formula you have to keep in your mind. And one more thing student, x minus y whole square not equal to x square minus y square. कई बच्चे यही समझेंगे कि x minus y whole square सेम है x square minus y square. Both are not equal because x square minus y square अलग है. x minus y square जब उसको खोलेंगे साथ में क्या आएगा 2ab. So this is not same. So it means x square minus y square equal to x minus y x plus y. So what is the value of x minus y? That is 3 by 2, and x plus y, that is 7 by 2 multiply 21 by 4. So students, please note down this. So students, one more question we will do based upon same formula. Here a minus 1 by a given a, यानी कि a और b क्या है 1 by a plus 1 by a we have to find. So same formula which we have done, a plus 1 by a whole square, a minus 1 by a whole square equal to 4. So what is the value of this? That we have to find. A plus 1 by a whole square, that we have to find. What is the value of a minus 1 by 8 whole square equal to 4? So a minus 1 by a whole square 64. 4 plus 64, a plus 1 by a square, sorry, whole square equal to 68. So a plus 1 by a 68 square root. That further we can break 2 to 70. So दो के पेयर बन गए. So 2 can come outside the square root. So answer is 2 root 70. अगर आप प्लस माइनस लगाना चाहते हो आप लगा सकते हो, otherwise as it is you can leave. And second part, a square minus 1 by a square. Same formula, a square या x square minus y square. In last question we have done, यानी कि a minus 1 by a एक बार माइनस, दूसरी बार प्लस. What is the value of a minus 1 by already given 8, and this value is निकाल ली हम लोगों ने 2, 17, 2 square root 17, 8 to the 16, 16 root 17. So students, please note down this. So students, one more question we have to do. For example, such type of equation given, and we have to find a minus 1 by a plus 1 by a, and a square minus 1 by a. Student, how to solve such type of question? This type of equation given, we have to find a minus 1 by a plus 1 by a square minus 1 by a square. So what is the first step? What should be the first step? We have to divide a by both sides. Divide by a both sides. यानी कि दोनों तरफ a के साथ क्या करना आपने डिवाइड. a स्क्वायर 5a minus 1 divided by a 0 by a. So this is a square by a, 5a by a, 1 by a, 0 upon something 0. This cancel. Here we get a, cancel. Here we get 5. Here we get 1 by a equal to 0. So a minus 1 by a एक तरफ रख लो और take 5 other side. So here we get the value of a minus 1 by a, that is 5. So the value of a minus 1 by a is 5. So how we can get the value of a plus 1 by a? By using a minus 1 by a. For that we have to apply the formula that you people know already. A minus 1 by a whole square, a minus 1 by a whole square equal to 4. And how we can find this? यानी कि from the first step we get a minus 1 by a, the value of a minus 1 by a. From the second step we will get a plus 1 by a, and third step means we have to find a square minus 1 by a square. Already कर चुके हैं हम. Which formula we have to apply? A minus 1 by a, one time minus and other time plus. So students, please note down this and try to solve exercise 4a at home. Stay home, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you very much.